Okay. I hear that down there in Florida they got a rage going, and it's lizards, 3D printed lizards with articulating bodies. They flop around. They're pretty cool. No doubt about it. They are really cool. You make all kinds of different ones with colors and stuff. It's a lot of fun. What I don't think the Floridians realize, though, is that they have the queen lizard living amongst them. Got her right here. This I don't want anybody to think I designed this up. I didn't. This come from a website called Cult 3D. I think I paid $4 and some change for the program itself. Beautiful print. Came out really nice. Followed what they told me to do. Man, it was no fun getting the what they call a raft, which is something you print this on. Here, I'll show you. This is a raft once I got it off. That's what the lizard was on. You'll see that. I'll give you a little shot of how all that works. Or better yet, just give you some shots during the print. So some of the questions I have about stuff like the queen of the lizards is how long did that take? As you can see, the queen of the lizards is pretty good size. Longer than my arm. Well, that part of my arm. Anyways, so in this print, we were looking at 43 hours and 13 minutes. Seems like a long time, but let's not forget that I just turn this machine on and walk away. So it's just sitting there doing this thing. Cost. That's probably the number 2 question that I get. A roll of this filament, on the average, is 20 bucks. Sometimes I pay 18, sometimes I pay 22. It's all over the place, but right around 20 bucks. There's 1,100 feet on one of them rolls. At 20 bucks, that works out to about 2 cents a foot. This lizard has dragon. I like to call him a dragon, but anyway, he's got 256 feet in him. So you're looking at like $5.12. So really not much. Electricity, I have done a little study on the electricity. 20 hours of electricity costs you about 61 cents on this machine that I run. So we got about $1.20 in electricity. All right.